Backed by decades of experience and leading-edge expertise, EQ2's HEMS CMMS software is designed specifically for healthcare to help hospitals manage maintenance, maintain compliance, and increase efficiency throughout all locations. With advanced reporting and dashboard capabilities, HEMS enables you to get the information you need, when you need it, and in the right format so that you have clear insight on key performance indicators and on tracking toward compliance and AEM requirements. Get secure, real-time data from your phone or tablet with a superior mobile app that enables you to make important decisions quickly, improving the equipment management process and expediting the completion of work orders. HEMS intelligent design makes the user experience intuitive and easy to navigate. HEMS is a leader in interoperability, speaking the languages of your devices and equipment, and also integrates with numerous platforms and applications. Visit us at EQ2.com or call 888-312-HEMS to schedule a demo.